Okay, let's see. Yun. Na-drain na. Luto na yung aking burger pate. Beef pate. Ang lalaki kaya ng ano niya. Ang lalaki ng burger pate. Oh, very thick siya. Oh. Very thick. Very, very thick. Hindi mo makuha yung ganyang kalaki at kalapad o kaya ka-thick ng burger pate sa mga restaurant. Oh, kapal oh, kapal. Kung ganyan sana kakapal yung mga nabibiling burger, oh, kung ganyan sana kakapal yung meat. As a matter of fact, 1/5 lang yung nakukuha nating laki ng ano ng mga burgers na binebenta. Pero ang laki. And I'm gonna have it with cheese. Alright. Burger with cheese. Plus my bread. Oh, diva. Wow. And then my burger. Yummy, yummy. And I'm just gonna put some dressing, mayonnaise, and some mustard. So I just put some mayonnaise, ranch dressings, and mustard. So now my burger is ready to go. And I have 2 more big pates right there. Ito lang muna. Kaun na tayo. Diba?